Hello and thank you for joining me today. In this short video, I'm going to show you how the tool we've built can actually help you move the data over from your legacy systems to Oracle Fusion Cloud as a part of your data migration project. Now, this is both a data migration tool as well as something that you can install for your ongoing regular integrations with your third-party systems. On the left-hand side, are all the different integrations that we've built so far, right? This is only a beta release, and what that means is that we've got more integrations coming that'll get added to this list, right? So today I'm going to show you how to upload supplier invoices to Oracle Fusion Cloud using a few simple steps. Step one, you're going to click on the create button here. That's going to take you to a batch registration page. So that just all I need is just a date for easy identification of your batch, and then there's a unique batch ID that gets generated every time you create a batch, right? So this is the ID that you can actually use to see how many transactions were loaded and created as a part of this batch. Right, we move along. Right, and this is where you can actually download the sample file that we want you to fill up the data that you want to upload to the Fusion Cloud. Now, this is a very simple format, not as complex as your typical FBDI template of Oracle is. This is a simple format, easy to understand, something that you can just map with your legacy applications and prepare this file, and then just simply load this up. Now we've given you this ability to download the sample file right from the application, because in the event the file format changes over the course of your implementation, you don't have to run around to get this format from different people. It's right here. Every time you can download the latest template so that you always have the right template handy for the upload. All right, so just one click here, that's going to download the sample file for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of the files that I have actually prepared for this demo. So I'm going to use a sample file for for this demonstration. All right, so click next. That takes me to a window where I can actually choose a file, just like you would attach you would attach a file to your email, right? So select your file, say next. All right, so that just nicely puts the data in your file over in different columns. So we're good there, right? And say next. So this is where we've written a bunch of validations to confirm your vendors exist, your operating units are correct, your data is in the open accounting period. So we've basically written all these validations to ensure that what you're uploading goes right into your cloud applications and does not get stuck midway. All right, so I'm going to click load data. Just follow the instructions, right? It's pretty intuitive. Finish. So my files are ready, no errors. This is good to go. And then I'm going to click next. Now this is when we run the integration with Fusion Cloud and create all these invoices in the Fusion Cloud. So once this process completes, you can go into Fusion Cloud, search this invoice number. It's going to show up in your accounts payables application, right? All right, so that process completed, and we've got all the invoices loaded to Fusion applications successfully. So like I said, you can go in to Fusion applications, use the different search criteria, invoice numbers, vendor names, vendor numbers, the combinations to search for these invoices. It's that simple. We use the standard APIs which process these transactions instantaneously and put these transactions into the Fusion Cloud. Right? So it's that easy, guys. All right, and the process is very similar for some of these other accelerators we have. So you could use, for instance, create all your suppliers using the link here, create your customers, get your GL journals into the system, right? Upload your fixed assets, and pretty much all of these data migration tools at one place, right? All right, so that's it. That's all I have today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you like using this tool. So please do reach out to us should you have any questions. Thank you.